Today, I'll walk you through how to send an email in Brevo, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to send an email so you can effectively communicate with your contacts. To get started, the first step is to go to the Brevo login page. Simply type in the URL loginbrevo.com into your browser and hit enter. This is your gateway to accessing all the features Brevo has to offer. Once you're on the login page, look for the option that says Sign in with Google. Click on that. This will streamline your login process if you have a Google account linked to Brevo. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Brevo dashboard. From here, click on the CRM option. This is where you can manage your contacts and communications effectively. Next, navigate to your contacts list. Click on the contact you wish to send an email to. This step is crucial as it ensures your message reaches the right person. Now that you've selected your contact, look for the email button and click on it. This will open up a new email window where you can compose your message. In the email window, start by writing your message. Think of this as crafting a letter. Be clear and concise to ensure your message is understood. Once your message is ready, it's time to write your subject line. A good subject line is like a headline. It grabs attention and gives the recipient a reason to open your email. Finally, when everything looks good, click on the Send button. This is the moment your email is dispatched, so double-check your content before hitting send. And there you have it, you've successfully sent an email in Brevo. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Updates can change the layout, but the core functions remain the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.